Hi all, welcome to my channel Simple Fundas. I'm going to start a Excel web series where you can learn simple Excel technique in just less than 5 minutes. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can be updated with the upcoming new videos. Now we are in the Excel. I have downloaded this sample Excel from Microsoft website. You can go directly there and download it from there also. So I have hidden the upper part so that it can be visible to you clearly. Now we'll start with simple technique, simple function that is called addition. So in order to attain addition, we can achieve it in a two ways. So first I'll start with this one. You click on empty cell where you want to get the total. So click on that total and click on the this insert function. Click on it. It will give us one pop-up where we can see type a brief description of what you want to do and click go. So I want to do sum here. Click go. So it will give all the words which starts with sum. So click on sum. Okay. Now select one by one. Number one is here. Number two is here. Number three is here. And number four is here. I want to do first five editions. It will give you first five editions only. So if you want to select more numbers, then you can just put the cursor on the first cell and drag it down. It will take all the numbers. Click OK. It will give you all the sum of these ones. Similarly, if we want to do by dragging it, simply do it that way. Sum. Click OK. Now I want to do the first five rows sum. Then drag it. Okay, it will give us the same number. Another way to attain summation or addition, we can achieve it by typing equal to sign sum tab. Don't forget to uh, press this tab function on your keyboard. Just press tab, select number of rows which you wanted to add. Click enter. We'll get the same numbers which we got earlier also. So this way we can do the addition. Stay tuned for the next videos. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Till then, happy learning.